Here they come. Here they come. How you doing? Look at them go. Oh, stay away. Social distancing. Stay away. Where's your mask? Where's your mask? Where's your mask?
Where you going?
Huh?
I wash my mask.
You're washing your mask. Where's your mask?
Where's your mask down?
My mask in there in my pocket.
Oh, okay.
Where you going? Are you a vlogger?
Oh, Jesus. Huh? Yes, I am a vlogger.
Hi!
You want to say hello?
Yeah.
Hello!
Say hello to subscribers.
Hello!
All
From
right.
Angeles City, Philippines! Hello!
All right, thank you. What's up, guys, and good morning from the Philippines. Why are you guys looking at this stop sign? You know what? I think this stop sign is the most famous stop sign in all the Philippines. Definitely in Angeles City. Why do you say that? Because every time I ride up through here, people always say, you didn't stop at that stop sign. You didn't stop at that stop sign. You know what, guys? I'll just leave it on the stop sign. That stop sign is probably the only stop sign I've ever seen in Angeles City. And you can see nobody stops for it. Everybody rides right through it. Somebody said, hey, you should set an example. You should set an example as a foreigner here in the Philippines, obeying all the traffic rules and everything like that. You're probably right, but three things will happen if I stop at that stop sign. First, I might get rear-ended because nobody stops there. Second of all, if I stop, guarantee you people are going to blow their horn. Third, they're going to look and say, look at this dumb foreigner here. That stop sign is for show. I don't even know where it came from, who put it there, how long it's been there. I don't know. Stop signs, just like I said, that is the only one I know, and it's probably the most famous stop sign in the area. It should be a landmark. When you come to Angeles City as a tourist, you should, on your list of things to do, is come by this stop sign and take yourself a selfie with that stop sign. Anyways, moving on. I gotta go to one of the stores here. But yeah, everybody, like I said, everybody, you didn't stop. Well, even the PNP, you see the PNP, they didn't stop. Why didn't they stop? It's a stop sign. Anyways, here's how it works around here. Like I said, with stop signs and stuff like that, it's a give and go. Where you would think there would be stop signs, traffic lights here, they're not. They're just not. At least here in Angeles City, they're not. It's a give and go type thing. Anyways, here we are, guys. We are up here. See what's changed, what's new. They're back open again. These two stores side by side here. Last week, one was closed, one was open. Now they're both back open. I think there was an issue with people parking out front and social distancing, which I guess they're catching on with the social distancing. Let me go to Cross Street. I have noticed also that yeah, you would think that there's no quarantine or lockdown with all the traffic you're seeing here. You would think it doesn't exist, but it does. It's just people got to get out. This is one of the main roads. Right here on the left, I noticed more fruit places are back out again. I know it wouldn't take long. See, all these were gone, but now they're back open or back out. You don't see the PNP and military or whatever coming down through screaming and hollering at people. Even little face vendors are back open, or they're back up again. They always come through. I've noticed this, that they'll come through. Hello, hello, hello. 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 No masks. I've always seen this. They crack down for about a week, then they go away, then everybody comes back out, and it's the way it works here. we're gonna head up to the walking street. I'm gonna see if we can go down the walking street or not. I doubt it. And I'm gonna ask them why. Why is the walking street closed off? Why can't you walk down the walking street? What makes the walking street so special? Somebody said, and I think I see it, McDonald's here is open. We are open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Maybe takeout only. It's like a couple trikes are in there, or a couple motorbikes are in there. I think it's only delivery. Maybe takeout. Could be. Let me see. No. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, are they open? Takeout only. All right. Just checking. Good. All right, thank you. You see my vlog? Are you in my vlog? You guys have come to my house. You guys have delivered. All right. Take care. So they're open takeout only. And of course, Grab. We just had Grab deliver McDonald's to our house the other day. So yeah. Drive-through, is a drive-through open? There's people sitting in line here. Or either that or they're blocking it. Nope, it's open. Drive-through is open. All right. Let's find out why we can't walk down the walking street. What's the big mystery? Still have it. Looks like they still have it blocked off. Security guys coming up here. Gates closed 3 p.m. and open at 4. Can you walk down through, Kuya? Still, what? There's a walker.
Stay inside. Stay
Huh?
inside the bar.
Staying inside the bar. Bars are closed.
Yeah, no, up here.
Why? Can you tell me why they have shut down the walking street? What's the reason why?
I don't know. This is the policy of the order of the city government of the Angeles.
So, city government, Angeles,
Yeah.
city government shut it down to walk through.
Yeah.
They shut it down to walk through. They're not hiding anything down here, are they, Kuya? All right. It's easier to walk through here to get down to JJ's than it is to go all the way around. Yeah, look, more walkers. Oh, so they're staying inside. Inside the hotels?
Yeah.
The hotels are closed.
Restaurant.
Oh, all right.
Inside.
All right. All right, Kuya. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, so that's what they're saying. What are you hiding? Well, the city of ordinance shut it down. All right, so now I got to walk around the other way. These people are for the money changers. Western Union, that's what they're waiting for. Are they ever going to open up the walking street? I mean, as far as bars and businesses go? Who knows, guys? Who knows? They're moving to this, what is it, general community quarantine. Hopefully the 15th of May, Angeles City will move to that. Time will tell. But what it is general community quarantine is certain places and certain stores are going to be allowed to open up. Still practicing social distancing, still telling you to wear masks. But guess what is not on that list to open? Bars. Bars are not on that list of general community quarantine. They are, according to the, hey, what's up, guys? Hey, Kuya, all right. According to what they're saying, the bars are still going to be closed. You know, they're talking not even until 2021 to start bringing in international flights into the Philippines. You know, how do you open a bar? How do you open up one of these bars and practice social distancing? Come on. And, you know, if they open them up, fruits will shoot up this way. And if they open them up, how do you practice social distancing? Number one. Number two, the girls will have to wear masks because it's a establishment, it's a business where people are going to gather. So if you've ever been in any of these bars, and those that have been, they know. You go in, first off the bat, girl comes up, waitress, takes you to a seat, sits you down. What do you want to drink? Other girls might come up, sit down beside you. Hello, hello, hello. You want to order a girl a drink? She comes off the stage, she sits beside you. What are you gonna do? She's gonna have to wear a mask. How are you gonna keep social distancing? It's crazy. You think about it, it's crazy. How could you open up a bar, keep social distancing, and everybody wears a mask? And then it's like, all right, they're not even allowing flights in. A lot of these bars rely on international flights, people coming in from all over the world. All these hotels, all these condos that were built, you know, with having the red light district money coming in. You know, condos were built. People were buying condos, you know, to stay here. Let's face it, they're not coming here to the beach. They ain't coming here to hang out at the beach. You know, that's 10 months from now. You know, it'll be 10 months if that's the case, and they're not looking until 2021. That'll be 10 months these bars have been shut down with no income. Now trust me, where there's a will, there's a way. You know, are they still up and running? You know what, things go underground, right? But what's gonna happen? Like I say with everything, time will tell. Here we're coming up now on Scorebirds. Scorebirds used to always have a Saturday bikini contest. Well, that's not happening either. I told Lud, I said, if they do open up hotels for people, I said, I will definitely, I'll book a hotel room just to come and go swimming. Social distancing is there. Please wear your mask. Thank you. No minors allowed. Ah, and that pool looks so nice in there. Yeah, I said I'll book it just to go and hang out. Let Hannah Grace swim for a couple days. Hello. But it's quiet. It's like quiet, quiet, quiet down through here. Pacific breeze on the left. Secret garden. There's cars here. I don't know if they're the hotel cars or what. Time will tell, right? Time will tell. Garbage truck. Hey guys, all right, all right. Hello, hello. All right. Yeah, there's so many buildings being built here with the anticipation of selling condos and stuff like that. Alright, just kind of did a loop up and around. There's Tequila Reef, still closed, I'm sure, I think. We'll just take a stroll down and around here. Hey, cool, you're still closed. No takeout. No takeout. Hey, hello, hello. I'll just take a little walk down around here quick. See what's going on. Swiss Chalet is closed. Morning. Hello. Good morning. What's that? Is rooftop open? Good. How are you?
We are good also.
What's that? What's that?
We are good also.
You're good also. All right. Good. Good. It's good to be good. It's good to be alive, right? Yes. Quiet. Quiet, quiet. Yeah, this place here, Central Park, they're building another massive, massive building. So, oh, hello, hello. Yeah, I mean, they're building a big, massive building. It's gonna happen. Back on, that's 10 months that they can't even fill it, I guess you would say. I mean, and it's, the thing is, the bars shut down. What's gonna happen to these businesses? What's gonna happen? Time will tell, right? Orchid Inn. Shh, quiet, please. For sale. Sidecar only. Oh, hello. Brown Sugar Resto Bar Bartel. Here they come. Here they come. How you doing? Look at them go. Oh, stay away. Social distancing. Stay away. Where's your mask? Where's your mask? Where's your mask?
Where you going?
Huh?
I wash my mask.
You're washing your mask. Where's your mask?
Where's your mask down?
My mask in there in my pocket.
Oh, okay.
Where you going? Are you vlogger?
Oh, Jesus. Huh? Yes, I am a vlogger.
Hi!
You want to say hello?
Yeah.
Hello!
Say hello to subscribers.
Hello!
All
From
right.
Angeles City, Philippines! Hello!
All right, thank you. Be
Yeah.
safe. Be safe.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm going to wrap this one up. A little bit of entertainment right there for you. Yes, they were the lady boys. Anyways, guys, take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Take care of the sick. Take care of the elderly. We're going to get through this, and we'll talk to you later.